It's been a long time since I've posted a video, huh? Anyway, like मैंने अपना last video I guess 2 हफ्तों पहले post करा था. Yeah, at like fucking 3 a.m. Anyway, so I want to make a fucking life update video because I haven't posted like like in the past 2 weeks. So how's my life been? Take care. And most probably you won't give a fuck how's my life been, but I'm still going to tell you because it's my fucking channel and I can do anything, right? All right. So, oh, by the way, I'm in my garden. So how's my life been? So it's my 11th grade exams going on, so I've just been fucking grinding in my academics or talking about my revenue in my business or my as an appointment setter. My revenue has dropped significantly. I mean, my average revenue in the month of June used to be around $700 and now it is around 300. And last week I only made like 70 bucks. So my average revenue has most probably dropped, and I would say one of the biggest reasons is that my client somehow isn't closing deals, and I believe it's not my fault, but I like to take a responsibility कि हाँ क्या पता मुझसे भी गलती हो रही होगी. That could be one reason, and another reason is that I'm obviously distracted by my 11th exams. So yeah, like January was a pretty fucking successful month. I made around 2 lakhs, and this month I haven't been making much. Like my revenue, as I told you, dropped by 50%, but I believe मेरे अभी exams खत्म होंगे in like 5 days. Like I have my maths exam the day after tomorrow, then I have my business studies exam. So yeah, business studies के बाद में तो कोई पढ़ने भी नहीं वाला, but anyway. So I've been grinding in my academics, I've been distracted by my exams and shit, my revenue dropped by 50%. Life hasn't been great, and I actually want to talk about something like that I have seen in myself. You know, मैं last 2 हफ्तों से videos इसलिए नहीं upload कर रहा था because I didn't get the time. I had a lot of time, but I was not doing it because I was ashamed of myself that my revenue dropped by half. And I was like कि मैं लोगों को क्या ज्ञान शो दूंगा YouTube पे if I'm not even making the amount of money that I tell people that I am making. Like, fuck. So I had this thought process, and this thought process led me to realize that if I continue thinking like this, if I continue to if I continue to associating myself, my respect and my self-respect and my self-esteem with the amount of money I make, most probably in the future I will be clinically depressed. जैसे कि मैं तुम लोग को एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Today I talked to one of my like friends जिससे मैं like last 3-4 सालों से दोस्त हूँ, and for the past 3 years he has been grinding for क्या बोलते हैं the JEE exams, and you know he had that type of mindset कि भाई अगर मैंने JEE में अच्छा स्कोर नहीं करा, मैं भाई ये चूतिया, मैं गे हूँ भाई अगर मैंने JEE में JEE एडवांस के लिए नहीं क्वालिफाई किया. एंड you know वो ये सब बोलता था, but he was also like he used to work very hard. He used to study like 11-12 hours, and I hadn't seen him for the past year, even though he lived like next to my house, because he was just fucking grinding on the fucking JEE exam. And today I like met him वो क्योंकि कहीं बाहर घूम रहा था, and I asked him like भाई कितने आए तेरे JEE में, and भाई the moment I asked him that, he like वो बंदा ऑलमोस्ट इमोशनल हो गया, and he was like भाई 94 परसेंटाइल आए, माँ चुदी पड़ी है भाई, इतना पढ़ाई करने के बाद भी ज़िंदगी चुद गई भाई, ज़िंदगी फेल हो गई. And then he started telling me that his parents like because of this JEE result of 94 percentile, his parents took him to a fucking psychologist, and that psychologist diagnosed him with clinical depression, and that psychologist probably told him कि भाई तेरे को last 3-4 सालों से depression है, and she gave him fucking antidepressants, and she also told him कि भाई you also need to seek a counselor. So, and that happened because he always used to associate his self-esteem, his self-respect with the amount of marks he used to get. And the thing is, I do the same with the amount of money I make. When I was making 0, right? Like in November, when I was making 0, I didn't respect myself. I had no self-esteem. I had no confidence. Like हाँ मेरे like बाहर का confidence था कि I had that fucking confidence that I can talk to anyone. I've always had that confidence, but I believe that's fake confidence, because most of the time I have seen that I fake my confidence. I'm not very confident, but I show at the outside that okay dude, भाई मैं बहुत confident बंदा हूँ, मैं किसी से भी बात कर सकता हूँ. And when I started making money, that inner confidence, that inner self-respect, that inner self-esteem, like it increased. Because I was making money. In November, I was making zero, but then I got my first like 21,000 rupees payment from one of my previous clients, and my self-esteem skyrocketed. Then I started making more money, more money. I signed another client. From that client, I started making even more money, and in January, I made 2 lakh rupees. But in February, क्योंकि मेरा revenue drop हो गया because of my exams and because my client is not closing any deals, my self-esteem dropped again. And that's why I was too ashamed to not make any fucking videos on YouTube. And my fucking confidence dropped. And what I have seen is कि अगर मेरे साथ भी अगर मैं खुद को ऐसी ट्रीट करता रहा that कि मैं खुद को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करूँगा if I do not make any money, then I'll fucking become depressed, and then I will eventually become broke. Because if I'm depressed, that means I'm not mentally right, and if I'm not mentally right, how the hell am I supposed to make money? You get me? So I'm going to tell you, if you struggle with the same thing, even if you are at zero and you struggle with this self-esteem shit, let me tell you something. अगर तू मेरी एज का है at least, then stop associating yourself with this money shit. बाकी चीज़ों पे देख भाई, बाकी चीज़ों पे देख. लाइक लुक एट योर इनपुट्स, चाहे आउटपुट्स इतने ना अच्छे ना हो, ठीक है. एंड ट्राई टू नॉट ओनली एक्सेल एट वन थिंग लाइक मनी, ट्राई टू ऑल्सो एक्सेल एट अदर थिंग्स. Right, for example, I didn't take my like in 10th I didn't take my academics very seriously, but then in 11th I started taking them seriously again, and my marks skyrocketed, my self-esteem also skyrocketed. Right, I mean, not big, my self-esteem didn't skyrocket because of my marks. Honestly, my self-esteem skyrocketed because I was actually studying now. और मैंने 10th में तो झक मारा है, like मुट्ठी मारी है पूरे टाइम. So पढ़ाई करने की जगह. So yeah, my self-esteem skyrocketed because I focused on the inputs rather than the outputs. And because I was focusing on the inputs, my outputs also increased. And another thing that I'm doing right now, कि मैं अपनी self-esteem को बस अपने marks से associate ना करूँ, is that I have started taking gym seriously again. Like in the 3 months ago, I stopped hitting the gym. Right, क्योंकि I wanted to focus more on the money side, and because I focused more on the money side, my income eventually grew, but I lost all my muscle. And what I saw in myself was that I stopped respecting myself. Like क्योंकि I lost all of my fucking muscle, ठीक है, I lost all of my fucking muscle, and I stopped respecting myself. So what I did was कि मैंने instead of saying कि अरे भाई अब तो मेरे पास मसल ही नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिस्पेक्ट माई सेल्फ, आई सेड कि भाई छोड़, मसल नहीं है, छोड़, लेट्स just start going to the gym and focus on the efforts that you're putting in. Because if I start respecting myself because of the efforts that I'm putting in, because of the inputs, then most probably I will get the outputs. ठीक है, कल मेरा जिम जाने का मन नहीं करता because I was pretty fucking tired, but I was like कि चलो भाई जिम जाते हैं. The worst thing that can happen is that I will end up respecting myself more. I went to the gym, I trained my shoulders, I got a pretty nasty pump. मैंने एक photo खींची, and in that photo I realized that my shoulders are still better than most people. So yeah, like मेरी self-esteem बढ़ गई. And the same thing I will try to do on my money part. I will start focusing on the inputs rather than the outputs. I used to think that this was a bad fucking mindset कि तुम बहुत soft हो रहे हो खुद पे अगर तुम ऐसे inputs पे focus कर रहे हो. But I think in the long term, focusing on the inputs is much better. क्योंकि I made my money because I always hated myself. I wasn't even able to look at myself in the mirror because I was not making any money. ठीक है, so I always associated my fucking self-esteem with पैसा, with the green stuff. And yeah, that's why I became fucking unhappy. क्या हुआ? anyway. So yeah. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I believe that's pretty important, right? And I've also had some small wins in my life. For example, I achieved my eternal goal of buying protein powder and creatine. If you do not know what creatine is, तो तुम चूतिया. But I achieved that fucking goal. तो वो भी सही है. Like it was my eternal goal for the past 2 years. Like since I started hitting the gym, it was my goal कि मैं खुद के पैसों से ये सब खरीदूंगा, not with my parents' money. I mean, creatine and protein powder, it's not that expensive. Like मैंने अपने दोस्त को बोला, उसने बोला भाई why are you flexing this? It's not even that expensive. You could have bought it with your parents' money, but I wanted to buy it with my own. You know, जब तुम खुद के पैसों से कुछ खरीदते हो अपने लिए, then you feel good. For example, this phone, I don't think I bought it with my own money. I mean, I took a loan from my dad to buy this phone, and then 1 month later I paid him off, because that's when I received my first money. So yeah. Yeah, I have had some small wins, and I mean, 5 दिनों में मेरे एग्जाम्स ओवर हो ही रहे हैं. Then I will lock in on my like fucking this year like इस साल का goal, which is $10,000 per month. And honestly, I have no idea how I'm going to achieve that, but I know I will, because I also had no idea how I am going to achieve like $1,000 a month, and I still did. So having a plan doesn't always mean कि you will achieve it. You just achieve it somehow. I don't even know how you fucking achieve a goal. भाई कैसे achieve करते हो? You just do the right things, I say. Alright, so now I am yapping. I don't think so I need to yap now. But yeah, I'll meet you probably next week, if I post a video next week, or if I decide to post tomorrow, I will meet you tomorrow. But most probably I won't even meet you, because this is more of a like मैं कैमरा से फक बहनचोद मैं कैमरा से बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं तुझसे बात भी नहीं कर रहा. like such a goofy nigger. भाई साला he thinks that I'm talking to him. Like, no bro, I'm talking to a fucking camera. Shut the fuck up.